Today I'm going to be installing some of these net lights just in time for Christmas. Let's go ahead and unbox one of them, show you what it looks like. So each one of these has 96 bulbs. That's going to illuminate one of your shrubs. So I'm going to be curious to see just how well it's going to be illuminating this area where I have 3 like bush shrub plants and then another little tree. So it comes with replacement bulbs, and you have 2 outlets. You have a female and male power outlet, and you can pair up to 5 sets consecutively. To start with, I just began unraveling them, and I wanted to try 2 different methods. One way, I'll just try to unravel it on the ground and then place it on the bush. But what I think was probably just easier was just applying them directly on the bush and then just kind of trying to sort things out. Try to get maybe halfway on the top of the bush and then stretch it out and work your way down. Alright, so I was able to get 3 on these bushes and then a 4th one on this tree here. So let's take a look as night falls. Alright, it is now nighttime, so we can go ahead and take a look how these netted lights look. So I used all 4 of them, 3 on the bushes, and then I used a 4th one on this tree here, and I think it turned out pretty well. We'll take a look close up. Really nice looking. It really brightens up this area. And it's just enough netting that it pretty much covers up a big bush shrub such as these 3. Does a really good job of covering from the tops all the way towards probably like 3/4 of the bottom here towards the ground. So yeah, that's looking really good for the holidays. And then I also had this 4th one, so I put this up in a tree, and I think it's gonna do a really nice job. I just put this up tonight before my daughter came home, and she really likes it. She gets really excited about holidays and lights. But yeah, it's just gonna about do it, and we've got those replacement bulbs just in case anything goes wrong. Other than that, it's pretty awesome. And if you wanted to connect more, you can connect more. There's always that option to keep connecting. But it looks like 4 here is good enough for me and my use.